Have you ever stopped to think about what makes a story, well, stick with you? I mean, what's the difference between just a bunch of stuff that happened and a narrative that really gets under your skin? Well, today we're going to peel back the layers and look at the actual architecture of a powerful story. So let's get into it.
Yeah, think about it for a second. That last book you just could not put down, or that movie that left you totally breathless. What was it? It wasn't just the plot, right? It was how they told it. The secret ingredient is all in the craftsmanship, the stuff happening just behind the curtain.
And that's exactly it. That's the key. Amazing storytelling is never an accident. Nope. It's a deliberate, carefully constructed experience for the reader. So you know what? Let's pull that curtain all the way back and really dig into the core elements that make a story work. Okay, first up, let's talk about the invisible engine that drives every single great story. Its purpose. Seriously, this is the foundation. Everything else is built right on top of this.
So what do I mean by purpose? Well, it's the why. It's the reason the story exists in the first place. It's that core feeling or that big idea or that simple human truth that the writer is trying to get across. And in a really well-crafted story, pretty much every single detail serves that purpose.
Okay, check this out. Just read this sentence with me. You can feel it, can't you? That tension just building, the heaviness in the room. The writer isn't just saying, hey, it's midnight. No, they're making us feel Aisha's dread, her anxiety in our own bones.
See, that's purpose in action. It's not just about what's happening. The whole point, the purpose, is to make you, the reader, feel the weight of those inescapable consequences. Every little thing, the clock, the ticks getting louder, it's all meticulously chosen to serve that one goal. Building suspense. All right, now let's flip the script. Take a look at this next example about a mall in the sea. The vibe is completely different, isn't it? Just worlds apart. Yeah, this is such a great contrast to Isha's high-stakes anxiety. Here, the purpose has nothing to do with suspense. It's all about creating this feeling of quiet hope, of longing. The waves whisper. They don't crash. Think about that. That one single word choice changes the entire scene. And it's all because the writer had a totally different purpose in mind. Okay, so purpose is our engine. Now let's talk about who's driving the car. A story's purpose really comes to life through its characters. They are the evolving, beating hearts of the narrative. Look, the best characters are never, ever one-dimensional. They're not just a list of actions or traits. What makes them feel real, what gives them their power, is their inner world. You know, that messy, complicated landscape of thoughts and fears and all the contradictions we all deal with. That's the good stuff. And this line about Hassan, it's a perfect illustration of that. We're not just told he's trying to be brave. We're right there with him, inside his head, feeling that struggle. The real story isn't just about what he does, it's about that internal tug of war between what he wants to be and what he's terrified of. So really, it all boils down to this. A simple, flat character just does stuff. But a complex character, they struggle. And it's right there, in that gap between what they want and what they fear, that's where the story truly comes alive. All right, so we've got our purpose and our character. But where is all this happening? That brings us to setting. And let me tell you, in a great story, the setting is way, way more than just decorative wallpaper. A really layered setting is an active character in itself. It's not just a passive backdrop. It actively influences the mood. It can mirror what a character is feeling inside. And it can even become this incredibly powerful symbol for the story's bigger ideas. Just listen to this. This is so good. It seems like a simple description of a dusty hallway, right? But the writer is playing a much deeper, much more clever game here. And here's how. The setting becomes symbolic. The dust isn't just dust. It's memories refusing to settle. Whoa, all of a sudden this empty hallway is just loaded with emotion. It's become a physical representation of the past. That is how you make a setting work for you. So you've got these big pieces, right? Purpose, character, setting. The question is, how do they all fit together? How do they combine to create that magic, that human truth that makes a story resonate with us? Well, the thing is, they work together on every single level. We're talking from the huge, overarching plot all the way down to the nitty-gritty of a single paragraph. A truly great narrative is alive in every moment, always pulling you forward with these little, tiny, satisfying story arcs. And we can actually break that down into what you could call a micro-plot arc. Seriously, think about it. A single paragraph can do this. First, you get the setup, you establish the scene. Then you introduce just a little bit of tension, a little conflict, or a question. And finally, there's a shift, a small change in how we feel or what we understand. It's this constant little cycle of setup, tension, shift over and over that makes a book literally impossible to put down. So let's pull it all together into a kind of storyteller's toolkit. Number 1, find your purpose. Know the why of your story. Number 2, use that why to build characters who are complex and struggling with something internally. 3, make your setting more than just a place. Make it a symbol. And finally, 4, keep things moving by weaving in those little micro arcs, sentence by sentence, paragraph by paragraph. Because at the end of the day, all of these techniques, all these tools, they're all in service of one thing, revealing some kind of human truth. So the final question for you isn't just about craft. It's about what you have to say. What truth, whether it's big or small, is your next story going to reveal?